Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry, my camera died. And then, there wasn't any more space for the video. I don't know, I had to delete videos. I don't know. So, we were in the butter slime. So, this was just how we made it. And it's good now. So, it's all stretchy and fun to play with. This is literally just normal slime. And then, you're just going to want to add in your magic clay in. Yeah, as you can see, I did start playing with it. And then you just want to, add it in there. And just, play with it. And if it needs more color, if you think it needs more color, or, you can just change it. But I'm not changing, actually, the color. It's, a really light purple. I don't know if you can see it, but it's, I still have to mix it. The color's so pretty. So, and this is your butter slime. It's very stretchy. Here, let me get a knife to show you that it's butter slime. Here's just a plastic knife that I just found here. Okay. And that's butter slime. And this is how you make butter slime. And then you just want to put it in a container. Okay. And if it doesn't fit, you can just put it in another container. It's fine. Okay. So our next slime that we will be doing today is a normal slime, right? Yeah, a normal slime. So you need a bowl, something to mix with. Well, this one was the one that I used. I'm just gonna go and clean it. Okay, so guys, I am done cleaning my spoon. And all you need for this normal slime is glue, your activator, something to mix with, and, did I just say that? Whatever. And your color. I'm just using this light blue. So let's get started with this slime. So, first, you have to add in your glue as much as you want. I'm just doing that much. And I'm just going to put it away for right now. Color. Yep, that was way too much. Oh, I'm doing it wrong. Yep, that was definitely way too much, but it's fine. I don't care. Okay, last you just add your activator in. Yes, that was way too much, but last time it took too long to form, so just wanted to add a lot, but it was kind of a bad idea to add a lot, so because it's very I'll just add more glue to it. It's fine if it turns out bad, because it's looking normal to me right now. Yeah, I'm gonna have to add more glue. I bet I am. Or it's just I have to knead it. So I'm just gonna start kneading. Should I? Yeah. Okay, that wasn't very good idea, as you can see. Okay, because I still need my activator. Literally right now it's just glue. Plain glue. Okay, I need activator in here. Okay, that wasn't very a good idea. You can see it's sticking to my hand. But all you have to do is just knead it with your hands. Oh! Look at that. Okay, it's starting to form together. And not sticking to my left hand, just to my right. For some reason, just to my right. Okay, finally I can let it down. And I'll just add more activator to it. It's very stretchy. Okay. Let me... Okay, it's a disaster. Don't touch it. Okay. I'm just gonna take this extra slime out of here. Okay, there. Sorry, the balls fell down. Oh! Okay, this needs more activator in here. Feels just so good. My hands are so dirty. There's just like activator all over the place. And I just trying to clean it up. Okay, once it's all done, you just want to put it in an airtight container, like so. And then you're all done with your normal slime. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and bye.